Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find the cheapest flight to your dream destination using the Wizz app. Just open the app and go to this fare finder. Here it is. And now you can write where you would like to go, but you won't have to specify that when you would like to go. So I would like to leave from here and go to, I don't know, Corfu. And now click on search flights. And here we can see the best prices, and based on that we can choose the one we prefer and book the flight basically. And that's it. I hope it will be useful for you and have a nice day.